Hey, this is Dan. I bought a mountek cell phone mount and I bought a RAM adhesive mount, and what I did is I combined the two, put the two together as like a hybrid for my Volkswagen sport wagon. And so what we did is we ordered this stuff. I customized it per what you saw in the video, and that way this is the best look and feel that I wanted for this car. The other ones, the Rams, are awesome mounts, but there just wasn't a really good mount for this car for that. So I really like the CD insert mount from mountek. So what I really didn't like is their cell phone holder. It pretty much was no good, wouldn't hold my phone that well. So I knew the RAM was the best, so I put the two together, and this is what I came out with, and I'll show you on the other side. So I only have one hand here, so this is the RAM mount converted to the mountek, and you can see, you know, I have pretty much full motion here, and it's very close to me, which is really good. Works really good. I don't have it really tight in my CD mount, so I mean it's sturdy. I mean it's pretty firm. I think this is the best thing that we got. That way you release your cell phone out of there like that if you want to get it pretty quick. I'll try to, let me see if I can get this back in here with my hands. Let's see here. Let's see. Hold on here. There we go. And it's back normal. So pretty much you have all perfect viewing on your screen, and could probably reduce this to a small screw. The mountek thing, I like the wing mount, but if you're not going to take it on and off, then get a smaller screw for it. But other than that, this is a product well done. Contact me if you have any questions. Have a great day.